Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic series that is currently running into my channel. So friends, starting with this introduction theoretical video and series, we are going to learn VBA programming from the beginning level and we will do a fresh start. This series will be like a course type series which you can easily learn from my channel, that is Technical Portal on YouTube, and absolutely for free. In my previous video we have learned about Microsoft Excel VBA, how to use that and how to code into Visual Basic Editor, and today in this video we are going to learn how to customize the VBA environment where you are going to work actually. So friends, if you are serious about becoming an Excel programmer, you will spend a lot of time with VBA modules on your screen. To help make things as comfortable as possible, the VBE provides quite a few customization options. When the VBE is activated, choose from the tools and options. I will show you that in this video. So watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So let's start and let's get back to the Excel workbook where we will use this. So there are actually 4 ways to customize the VBA environment, that is Visual Basic Editor, that are using the editor tab, using the editor format tab, using the general tab and using the docking tab. We will learn about this in this workbook. So friends, here is that macro enabled workbook I am working from the beginning. So at first we have to click on options, then enable this content, then click on OK to actually enable the macro that we have already recorded previously. So friends, at first we have to go to the developer tab, then click on Visual Basic, or you can directly press Alt F11 key from your keyboard. So the first option was how to customize your VBA environment using the Edit tab. So where you can find the editor tab, you have to go to the Visual Basic Editor, then click on Tools, then go to the Options menu. Here you can find the Editor tab, Editor Format, General and Docking. Every tab we are going to cover in this video. So here you have some options, that auto syntax check, require variable declaration, auto list members, auto quick info, auto data tips. And what is auto syntax check option? The auto syntax check settings determines whether the VBE pops up a dialog box if it discovers a syntax error while you are entering your VBA code. The dialog box tells roughly what the problem is. If you don't choose this setting, the VBE flags syntax errors by displaying them in a different color from the rest of the code. And you don't have to deal with any dialog boxes popping up on your screen. The next option is require variable declaration. If the require variable declaration options is set, VBE inserts the following statement at the beginning of a new VBA module you start, that is option explicit. I will show you that later in my next part of my video. I'll cover up this all. Changing this setting affects only few modules, not existing modules. If these statements appears in your module, you must explicitly define each variable you use. Then the auto list members. What is that? If the auto list members option is set, the VBE provides some help when you are entering your VBA code. It displays a list that you would logically complete the statements you are typing. This bit of magic is sometimes called intelligence, right? This one is the one of the best features of Visual Basic Editor. The next one is auto quick info. If the auto quick info option is set, the VBE displays information about functions and their arguments as you type. This can be very helpful in your next programming experience. Our next option is auto data types option. If the auto data types option is set, the VBE displays the value of the variable over which your cursor is placed, and when you are debugging code, when you enter the wonderful world of debugging, I will describe you all in my next parts of this video. And then here you can find auto indent settings. What is its work actually? The auto indent settings determines whether the VBE automatically indents each new line of code the same as the previous line. Use the tab key to indent your code, not the space bar. Note that carefully. Also, you can press Shift tab to unindent a line of code. If you want to indent more than just one line, select all the lines you want to indent, then press the tab key. Then you can find the drag and drop text editing, default to full module view, procedure separator. These all are most important VBE settings. So our next part of this video is the editor format tab. What we can do with this, the editor format tab, we can find the code colors option, font option, size setting, margin indicator, bar options, and that's all. So let's get back to the VBE. Here in editor format you can find all of that. You can customize these as your own requirement, like you can change these colors or everything else you can do. I will highly recommend you to have a look at these tabs, at these options in your system, in your Excel software, to actually get familiar with it. So the next option of our today's video is customize the VBA environment using the general tab. So let's get back to the general tab. Here you can find settings of grid, aligns controls to grid, show tooltips, and many more. You can find these all options in your Excel workbook. Then let's get back to the next part and the last part of this video, that is docking. What is docking? These options that are immediate window, locals window, watch window, and these all options determine how the various windows in VBA behave. When a window is docked, it's fixed in place along one of the edges of the VBE program window. This makes it much easier to identify and locate a particular window. If you turn off all docking, you have a big confusing mess of windows. Generally, the default settings work fine. Sometimes the VBE seems to have a mind of its own when you are trying to dock a window. If docking doesn't seem to work correctly, just stick with it and you will get the hang of things. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with the next part of this video and we will get through the VBA course running into my channel, that is Technical Portal. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.